How to withdraw dogs from your Telegram wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Telegram wallet, and after that select the option of dogs over here. Then select the option of send, and then it would require you some address and the memo code. For this, you will have to open up the exchange or wallet from where you want to send this particular dogs. Suppose I want to send it to Binance, so I would just simply open up Binance, and on Binance simply open up your wallets, and in your wallet click on this option of deposit. Then select the option of dogs over here by searching it up. Search dogs and select it. Then select the option of Toncoin and click on OK. After that, it will give you deposit address and the dogs memo. Simply copy this deposit address and paste it on the Telegram wallet, and also do the same with the dogs memo. Make sure that you copy them correctly and paste it on Telegram wallet. After that, you can send your dogs from Telegram wallet to Binance, and this way you can do it with other exchanges as well. And this is how you withdraw dogs from Telegram wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.